everyone! Welcome to the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse game. It's me, Ellie Sparkles. It's time to spin the wheel again, and this time we have all our friends from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let's see who's playing in our game. We have Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and a mystery character. Who do you think the mystery character is? The mystery character lives in the Pride Lands, and he has a father named Simba. Press the thumbs up button if you know who it is already. Are you ready to spin the wheel and find all the surprises hidden under our friends from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Let's go! And here goes our first spin. I can't wait to see which character it lands on first. And the wheel landed on Mickey Mouse. Awesome! Mickey is the leader of the clubhouse, and he's the most popular character. Mickey has 2 big ears, has a dog named Pluto, and he's nice to everyone. He's even nice to the mean villain Pete. We all love Mickey Mouse, but now we have to find out what surprise he left for us inside his circle. Nice! It's a Disney Crossy Roll blind box. These blind boxes are so much fun to open. Here is a flyer. Look at all the characters we can collect. Wow, there's so many. I'm so excited to see who we got. It's Dale the Chipmunk. Okay, Mickey Mouse fans, do you know who Dale's best chipmunk friend is? Let me know in the comments. Dale looks so cute here with his bright red nose and pointy ears. And Dale comes with this awesome stand. Let's put him on the stand. Wow, how cool! Now you can display Dale on the shelf with all your other toys. Let's spin the wheel again. It's spinning so fast. Which character do you want to open next? And it landed on Daisy. Daisy is Donald's girlfriend. She's the prettiest dog in the clubhouse, and she wears really nice clothes, just like this pretty pink bow on her head. Daisy and Donald are such a nice couple, and they even have matching yellow dog beaks. Let's see what surprise Daisy left for us. Wow, look at who we got. It's Diva, the LOL surprise doll. Nice! Diva is wearing a black and white dress with a pink belt. She's also wearing pink shoes and a big pink bow on her head. Let's see if Diva is a color changer. Let's put her in the cold water to find out. Wow, look! Half of her hair changed colors. It's pink now. Wow, Diva really likes the color pink. It looks so cool. Now let's see if she's a crier, a spitter, or a tinkler. She's a spitter. That's so funny. I love LOL dolls. Bye, Diva. The wheel is spinning again. I wonder which character will land on next. Donald? The mystery character? And it's Goofy. Goofy is one of my favorite characters in the clubhouse. He's Mickey's best friend, and he can be a very clumsy dog sometimes. But when Mickey needs help, Goofy is always there to help his friend. Okay, Goofy, what surprise did you leave for us in your circle? Cool, look at this toy. It's a Bob's Burger blind bag. The package looks exactly like a hamburger. Yum! Let's open it up. This is Jimmy. He has blonde hair and he's wearing a purple uniform because he works at Bob's Burgers. I like to put cheese on my hamburgers. So yummy! And look, this toy also has a clip. This is so cool because you can hang it on your book bag or a keychain. Awesome! It's time for our 4th spin. Let's see who we land on this time. And it's the mystery character. We already know that the mystery character lives in the Pride Land, and he has a father named Simba. The mystery character is also a lion. Do you know who it is now? And it's Kion. Kion is the leader of the Lion Guard. He protects the Pride Lands from all the mean animals in Outlands. Okay, Kion, what fun surprise did you leave for us? It's a Lion Guard blind bag. Awesome! The Lion Guard is such a fun show with Banga, Fruly, and Beshti. Let's see which character we got. It's Ono. Ono is a colorful bird who is one of Kion's best friends. Look at all the pretty feathers on his head and his long wings. Ono flies high in the sky to look over the members of the Lion Guard on the ground. And when he sees something wrong, he lets Kion know there is trouble. What a smart bird! And what a cool surprise toy! And there goes another spin! This wheel is so colorful! It's starting to slow down. And it landed on Minnie Mouse! Nice! Minnie Mouse is Mickey's girlfriend. She's one of the nicest members of the clubhouse, and her best friend is Daisy. Minnie wears a pretty pink dress with white polka dots on it, and she also wears a big bow in her hair. Okay, Minnie, let's see what surprise you left for us in here. Wow, look! Minnie left us her very own Minnie Mouse blind bag. Thanks, Minnie! I can't wait to see which character we got. We got Daisy. Daisy is Minnie's best friend. Daisy always wears such pretty clothes. But my favorite part about Daisy is her big hair bow. Her hair bow matches her big duck beak and yellow duck feet perfectly. It's so funny when Daisy and Donald get mad and they talk like ducks. Their voices sound so silly. Bye, Daisy. Okay, we have one more spin left. Let's make this one a really big spin. And it landed on Donald Duck. Donald is one of Mickey's best friends, and he talks really funny. He's a sailor who wears a blue sailor hat and jacket. And oh yeah, he has big yellow duck feet. Donald acts really funny when he gets mad, like when the mean villain Pete is causing trouble. Wow, nice! It's a Thomas the Train mini blind bag. Collecting trains is so much fun. Let's open it up and see which train we got. It's Edward. Edward is blue and he's the number 2 train. There it is. He has 2 red wheels on each side that makes him go really fast. Edward is one of the oldest trains in the show. His friends make fun of him for being older, but don't worry. Edward is one of the friendliest and smartest trains also. And look how fast he is. I would ride on your train any day, Edward. I had so much fun playing the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse game with you. We found Dale the Chipmunk in Mickey, a Daisy Duck toy in Minnie, a Bob's Burger toy in Goofy, a Thomas the Train toy in Donald, an LOL doll in Daisy, and Ono in Kion. If you had fun playing the game, give me a big thumbs up. And for more fun game videos, subscribe to my channel. Are you ready for another adventure? Let's go! Hi everyone! Welcome to the Smurf Spin the Wheel game. It's me, Ellie Sparkles. It's time to spin the wheel again, and this time we have all our favorite characters from the new Smurfs movie. Let's see who's playing in our game. Papa Smurf, Brainy, Gargamel, Blossom, Smurfette, and a special mystery character. Who do you think the mystery character is? I'll give you 2 hints. The mystery character isn't a Smurf, but he's a little baby who wears a suit and tie just like a grown-up. Press the thumbs up button if you already know who it is. Are you ready to spin the wheel and find surprises from all the Smurfs characters? Let's go! There goes our first spin. Wow, the Smurf wheel is so colorful. I wonder who is going to be the first character it lands on. And it landed on Smurfette. Awesome! Smurfette is one of the nicest and prettiest Smurfs in the Smurfs village. She has long blonde hair, and all of the boy Smurfs have a crush on her. Okay, now it's time to see what surprise Smurfette's left us inside her circle. Wow, cool! It's a Batgirl toy. Batgirl is one of Batman's best friends, and she helps him fight the mean villains in Gotham City. Batgirl has a really cool purple bat costume, and she has bright orange hair. And look, she's riding a bat scooter. This scooter lets Batgirl fly high in the sky at night. She has all the same superpowers and cool superhero tools as Batman. Watch out, villains! Batgirl and Batman are here to save the day. The wheel is spinning again. I wonder which character it will land on next. And it's Gargamel. Oh no! Gargamel is the villain in the Smurfs movie. Gargamel is always chasing the Smurfs and trying to capture them. And he has a mean cat named Azrael. Okay, Gargamel, let's see what surprise you left for us. I hope it isn't something mean. What's this? It's a squishy toy. And it's not a regular squishy toy. It's a squishy egg. Gross! Villains like Gargamel always like to leave us icky surprise like this. You can see the yellow part of the egg in here. It's super squishy, just like a really big mashup. And when you throw it, it sticks to the ground. This ball is extra sticky and super icky. It's time to see who the next character is. I hope it's not another villain like Gargamel. And it landed on Papa Smurf. Nice! Papa Smurf is the leader of the Smurfs. The Smurfs call him Papa because he's the oldest Smurf and he looks like a grandpa. He has a gray beard and he wears a special red hat. Okay, Papa Smurf, let's see what's inside your circle. Wow, cool! It's an Ushi superhero blind bag. These Ushi toys are so cool to put on your pencils. Let's see who we got. We got Green Arrow. Green Arrow is a brave superhero who wears a green costume. Give me a big thumbs up if you know another brave superhero who wears a green costume and fights the villain Romeo. Green Arrow uses his magic bow and arrow to fight the main villains. The coolest thing about Ushi toys is that you can put them on top of your pencil eraser. Look how awesome this pencil is now. You can have the bravest pencil in school. And the wheel is spinning again. It's spinning so fast. Who do you think it will land on next? And it's the mystery character. We already know that the mystery character isn't in the Smurfs movie, but he's a baby who dresses like an adult. The mystery character also calls himself the boss. Do you know who it is now? It's the Boss Baby. Did you get it right? Now let's see what surprises Boss Baby left for us inside his circle. Are you ready, Boss Baby? Look, it's a little baby. He's so cute. It looks a little like the Boss Baby, but I don't think it's him. The Boss Baby wears a fancy black suit and acts like an adult. This little baby just wants to be held. Hey, wait! Is it the Boss Baby? He's wearing his grown-up suit. And look, the boss wants to wear his red tie now. Wow, Boss Baby looks like he's all ready to go to work, just like a grown-up. He's trying to stop the villain Francis and all his cute puppies from taking over the world. Okay, Boss Baby, you can go save the day in your nice black suit. We already found the mystery character, so let's see which Smurf character is next. It's slowing down. And it landed on Brainy. Brainy is the smartest Smurf in the Smurfs village. He wears glasses and he likes to read a lot of books. When the other Smurfs have a question, they always go to Brainy. But did he leave us a really cool surprise like the other Smurfs? Awesome! Brainy left us a Paw Patrol surprise bag. Brainy even knows we love Paw Patrol. He really is the smartest Smurf. And look who it is! It's Rubble the construction pup. Rubble on the double. Rubble wears a yellow hat and he loves to build things. I wonder if he can build a Smurf's house in the Smurfs village. And then he could bring his friend Chase to put the evil Gargamel in villain jail. Bye, Rubble! Okay, we only have one more spin. This is a really big one. And it landed on Blossom. Blossom is one of the newest Smurfs in the movie. Blossom is really pretty and she has a colorful purple flower in her hair. She lives in a secret Smurfs village that no other Smurf has ever seen before. Okay, Blossom, let's see what surprises are in your circle. It's a My Little Pony fashion surprise. Fashions are so much fun. I can't wait to see which pony we have inside. And we have Spike. We didn't get a pony this time, we got a dragon. Spike is a purple dragon with green spikes on his head. A lot of dragons are scary, but Spike is really nice to everyone. And he's also one of the squishiest and stretchiest dragons. Did you know that Spike is Princess Twilight Sparkle's best friend? It must be so much fun to have a friend with cool green spikes. Blossom left us such an awesome toy surprise. She's already one of my favorite Smurfs. I had so much fun today playing the Smurfs game. We found a green arrow Ushi in Papa Smurf, a Rubble toy in Brainy, a Nikki Squishy toy in Gargamel, a My Little Pony Stackum in Blossom, a Batgirl toy in Smurfette, and a Boss Baby. Thanks for playing with me. If you had fun, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun games. Are you ready for another fun game?